G'day, Aaron from Boostock. Billet cam caps are now a new part to market that I've brought out. These are a replacement for the stock units. They're not an upgrade per se, they're just for guys who are missing cam caps or have damaged cam caps that are not repairable. These will be available firstly as sets and then individually later when I catch up with the orders. My demo set's not numbered or lettered. They do have IDs on them. Each individual cap has its own designation. So I will etch these on the top for full kits. You do need to send these to the machine shop. They do need to be line bored or honed to suit, and each cap needs to go on its corresponding home. You can't mix and match. You can't just really grab this and bolt it on anywhere. That causes problems. Don't do that. So take your caps and your head to a quality machine shop, like a head service shop, and get the machines to sort it out. So these are available on the website. Currently they'll be just a full kit. I will do individual parts soon as I catch up with orders. And you can see they're a nice, neat unit. Everything fits. They're just like stock. Don't need to rate them from another head. Happy days. Like and share. Thanks. See ya.